Hey guys, welcome back to Camp in a Box. Today we're going to make our very own Calm Down Wave bottle. In your kit you're going to get a cup of glitter and a couple cups of baby oil, but you'll need things like tape and some blue food coloring from home. You'll also get a recycled bottle in your kit, which you'll need to go fill up about 2/3 of the way with water. Once you have all the water that you need, go ahead and start adding your food coloring a couple drops at a time. I added way too much food coloring at the very beginning, and my water ended up pretty dark. Close the lid on your bottle tightly and gently shake your bottle to mix all of the food coloring into the water. Your water might be a little bubbly after all of that shaking, so take off the cap and let all those bubbles settle before you move on to the next step. While your bubbles are settling, go ahead and make a funnel out of some scrap paper and tape you have around the house, and use that to add in your first batch of glitter. The glitter will create a layer between your water and your oil that will be really cool to watch whenever you shake the bottle. Once you've added your glitter, go ahead and start adding your oils. Water and oil do not mix, so when you shake the bottle, the clear oil will stay separate from the colored water and make for a really cool wave effect. Your kit will come with baby oil, but you can use mineral oil as well. Whatever type of oil you use, make sure it's clear. If you use an oil that's yellow, it might discolor your Calm Down bottle over time. How much oil that you're going to need is completely dependent upon the type of bottle that you're using. So you might only need 6 ounces of oil for this particular bottle, but you might need 8 or more for another. I found some more glitter back in my supply area while I was looking for a hot glue gun, so I went ahead and added that in as well. The more colors of glitter that you have in your Calm Down bottle, the more vibrant it will be when you shake it. Let's just take a couple of moments and watch this glitter drift down through the oil and settle on top of the water. Now that was nice. Now we have to seal our cap closed with either super glue, hot glue, or clear packing tape. I used the hot glue method. It was a little bit messy, but it was really easy to make sure that I had a nice tight seal on my cap. Once you're sure that your cap is secure, you can go ahead and enjoy your new Calm Down Wave bottle. You can quickly shake your bottle and then watch the glitter all rise back up to the top and the water and oil separate. You can also slowly tilt your bottle and watch the glitter and oil travel from the top to the bottom. This wave bottle is a great addition to your calming corner at home and is wonderful to use when you just need a little bit of a break. Thanks so much for crafting with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!